Do you want your lips to look naturally fuller? I'm going to show you 2 incredible products that make lips look much more youthful and just more like they're natural but on a really good day. My name is Katie, I'm a professional makeup artist, and as I head towards my 50s, I have made it my mission to find products that make you and I look and feel amazing. So this first product is a lip liner. If you haven't used one before, please keep watching because I think you're going to become obsessed with this like me. It's dual-ended and it makes a huge difference to how youthful your lips can look. Now, to line your lips, you're going to take your pinky finger, you're going to use it as your stabilizer here, and it makes your hand have much more kind of steadiness. You're going to start lining from the corner and end at the cupid's bow. By doing it this way around, it's going to help follow the natural contours of your lip, which in turn is going to make your natural lip look fuller without going over your natural lip line. So it keeps it looking really natural, but it still has a really voluminous effect. Look at this. We're now going to fill the lips with the same colour. Smudge together. Now it's important to fill in your lip here because a lot of us miss this, and actually by filling this section here of your lips, it naturally makes your lips look fuller. Now with the cream end, this is going to create a really stunning volume to the lower lip. Now, the trick to your lips looking naturally more voluminous is just to make this lower lip look slightly more voluminous than the top lip. If you make the top lip look full and the bottom look full at the same time, that creates kind of more of a artificial fullness, which some people might like, but I want to teach you a natural way to that kind of look. To do that, we're going to take this cream pencil, which is dual-ended. Going to apply it just in the middle here. We're going to take our pinky finger to blend. And can you see how this has just made my lower lip look more voluminous, which in turn gives it a natural look of volume. Now, the bit that I love at the end, hang on, where is it? The bit I love at the end is applying this amazing gloss just to the center of the lower lip. It's got a really beautiful gloss-like sheen to it. When it's applied just in the middle and then patted out, again, by applying it just in the middle of the lower lip, it creates this beautiful, natural, voluminous look. Plus, it has the added benefit. I mean, it's not a sticky gloss anyway, but if you're someone that doesn't like wearing gloss because perhaps you've got long hair and you don't want to get it stuck in your gloss, then just by applying it here, it just gives the most stunning effect. These products I'm obsessed with. If you want to read more about them, I will put the link in. Please tell me what more techniques I can show you and teach you. I might have already made them, so I can even comment back with links to them that you might not have seen. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you soon in another. Don't forget, let me know what else you'd like me to teach you. See you soon, bye.